Hello, first grade families. I just created this short little video tutorial for you to help you access online learning. So what you can see here right now is a home screen of a student's iPad. And what I'm going to do is walk you through how to get on Canvas and access our class's assignments. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is find the Canvas app. It is basically a little black box with a red circle, kind of flower looking thing. So you're going to click that app. Okay, once you get there, it should take you to, sorry, it did not work properly for me. Let me try that one more time. Okay. Once you get that app open, this is the page you're going to be at. This is the dashboard, okay? From the dashboard, you're going to click My Class here, first grade, Noel, or Noel. And once you get there, you're going to see a little Bitmoji of me that shows you today's work pointing towards it. Okay, that's all we really need to worry about on this page. So you're going to click today's work. And once you get there, you're going to have a list of all of the, or a schedule of the assignments that we have for that day. Okay, the first thing students are going to do is to join the Google Meet. And to do that, all you need to do is click this icon right here. Okay, once you click that, you're going to click the join button. And I do want the microphone off, but I want the camera on. So click the join button. Now we're going to get some echoing because I'm in the meeting also. And you can see all these windows of the screens being shared. Okay. To leave the meeting, you just click the red phone to hang up. Muting on and off is this button here. So that turns my microphone on. You should have permission to set up the microphone. If not, you need to go into settings. I'll just show you how to do that. Okay, so here I am in settings, and I'm going to make sure that my microphone can be turned on. So I just slid that over. Okay, I always double click the home screen button down here at the bottom if I lose where I'm at and I need to get back into it. So I'm going back into the Google Meet. I always click this join a meeting. If you lose mine for some reason, you can either go back into Canvas, or to join my Google Meet, you always type my name, Noel, then first, so 1, ST, and then grade, GRADE, and return. That gets you into the meeting, okay? So we would join it again from there. In the morning, students are going to be on that Google meeting most of the day, okay? So we want them in there all morning until lunchtime. All right, let's go back to our schedule. So here I am double clicking the home button again, and then I'm going to go back into today's work. Okay, at 8:30, students, after we have a little meeting in the morning, students will be into breakout rooms for reading groups. And when they're doing that, they'll just be working with an assistant, and I will facilitate getting them into those breakout rooms, working on the reading skills that they need to personalize their learning. After that, we'll come into our main reading lesson, and that's at 9. And so we'll just stay in there the whole time. If for some reason you are not able to join the Google Meet on that particular day, I am going to record my lessons, and hopefully I will have them available the following day. Okay, you have a break. Students will have a break from 9:30 to 9:45, but then they will leave their Google Meet open because we'll come right back in. We'll finish our reading lesson, may have a little bit of writing. You'll probably have more of that next week. And then after our writing and reading lesson starting at 10:15 is when our math lesson starts. So that goes all the way up to 11:30, and then we'll have lunch, okay? After that, the end of the day, the afternoon is asynchronous, so students do not have to be on the Google Meet. They don't need to be on there during lunchtime either, but assistants will be available to help your kids, talk with your kids during that time if you need someone. Okay. The things that you do in the afternoon, oftentimes are going to be you're accessing through Clever, which is another app on the iPad home screen. So in order to get to that, you double click the home screen again. Okay, click, click. Then you, or the home button, I mean, and then you get to the home screen, and Clever is a little C icon. The kids are used to using this. We used it a lot in class. And on the back of the iPads, there's a badge that's Velcroed, and this is also on your envelope. So you'll have to scan that badge in order to get into the meeting. Oh, or the Clever, sorry. Okay, so here's Clever. It's going to ask you to scan your badge. I did not show you this, but how I do this is I flip my screen because at first it's going to be on my face. Hello. And then we're going to flip the screen, that little icon right there. And you're going to put your badge out and find where your camera is, scan your badge, and then now you're in Clever. Okay, from Clever, we go into my teacher page, which is the pink screen with the little blue owl on it. And that is where you can find all the links you need. I still need to put a link in here to our Studies Weekly, but if you need some active activities for students to do in the afternoon to get plenty of exercise, you can go into Go Noodle or Cosmic Yoga. Those are some good options there. All right, so I hope this helps you, and please reach out if you have any questions. You can call my extension at school, which is 3328, or you can always send me an email. All right, thanks so much. I know we can do this. We'll get through it together. All right, happy Monday.